Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Piano Man on Keyboard Easy. Start by placing your fingers on the C major chord, which is C-E-G. Then move to G major, playing G-B-D. Next, transition to F major, using F-A-C. Finally, play a minor, which is A-C-E. Practice these 4 chords in sequence, C, G, F, C. Repeat this progression slowly until it feels natural. This forms the backbone of the song's verse. Now, let's add a simple left-hand bass line. For the C chord, just play a single C note with your pinky or thumb. When you switch to G, play a G note. For F, play an F note, and for a minor, play in a note. Keep this bass line very basic, perhaps playing each note once per measure. This provides a solid foundation for the right-hand melody and harmony. For your right hand, you can start by simply strumming the chords you learned earlier. Try a basic 8th note rhythm, playing each chord twice per beat. When you get to the chorus, focus on the iconic do-do-do melody. This involves playing specific notes like G, A, B, C, D, and E in a descending pattern over the C chord. Practice this slowly to get the feel. Now it's time to put both hands together. Start very slowly, playing the left-hand bass note and the right-hand chord or melody simultaneously. Don't rush. Focus on the coordination between your hands. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your tempo. Remember, consistent practice for just 15 minutes a day will make a significant difference in your progress. Enjoy playing this classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.